Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Ibarra. And so for today's lesson, you're going to need your math book, a pencil. You're going to need your dots, and you're going to need your whole work mat. So pause this video, go get your items, and then push play when you are ready. Let's review our learning objective. I can use missing add-ins to subtract. Let's start. Now, what if we had a number sentence that looked like this? That said 7 plus a mystery number equals 11. How could I solve this problem? Well, one strategy I could do is I can use my whole work mat to help me find the missing part. Because I know that I have a part, which is 7, right? And then I know I have a whole, which is 11, right? Because if you put both of these pieces together, they make 11. So I'm going to write that there for my whole. But I'm missing this part. I don't know what that part is. Well, one way I could do this is I can count on from 7 until I reach 11. So if I say I have 7, I'm going to say 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so how many dots did I put in there? I put 4. That's right. So that means 7 plus 4 makes 11. So the mystery number must be 4. That was the missing add-in. Okay, so that's one way we can do that. All right, so let's try another one. How about this one? What if I have 6 and 13? Okay, so I have 6 plus a mystery number equals 13. Well, I know these are the parts. This is the whole, because if I put these together, it makes this. So I know my whole is 13. And my part, I know one of the parts is 6, but I don't know this part. So again, I can say what? Well, I could do this. I could say 6, and I'm going to count all the way up to 13. Ready? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many dots did I put? Well, I have 7 dots there. So that means that part must be 7. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. Fantastic. Okay, now that's one way we could do that. Let me show you a different way. What if I had this? What if I had 5 plus something equals 12? Well, I could say, I know 5 is a piece. I don't know my other part, but I know that 12 is the whole. Okay, well, what if I wanted to put 12 of these dots? Ready? I'm going to put 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 dots there. I'm going to move 5 of them up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever's left over, I'm going to move into this part. Okay, and I'm flipping them over so I know that this is the other part. Okay, so 5 plus 7 must be 12. So 7 is the missing part. Let's open up our books to page number 325. And it says the butterfly has 7 spots on its left wing and some more spots on its right wing. It has 11 spots in all. How many spots are on the right wing? Trace your counters to show the missing spots. Well, okay, so let's see here. I know that one of my pieces is 7. The other piece is 11. Okay, so let me put 11 dots. I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then I'm going to move 7 of them up here. This one has 7, so I'm going to move 7 of them up here. Okay. And then the rest I'm going to flip over and put over here. So now, how many? Oh, that's 4. So the missing part was 4. All right, so if I have 7 dots, and then this must be 4 dots. And if I put them all together, they make 11. So the missing part was 4. Okay, great. Let's turn the page. And it says, use related facts to help you find a missing addend. And they already gave you the part whole map right there. And it says 7 plus 5 equals 12, or 12 minus 7 equals 5. So the missing part was 5, right? And you could have done it certain ways. You could have said 7, and you could have said, so let's try that. So you could have said 7 and count out all the way up to 5. 7, up to 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you see how now that's 5 dots in there? So that's why we got 5. Okay, let's use the work mat to solve these other problems. Number 1, it says 5 and then a missing number equals 13. Okay, so I know my part, 5, and I know 13. So I think I'm going to count on. I want to do the count on for this one. I'm going to say 5, and I'm going to count up to 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many yellow dots did I put in there? That's right, I put 8. So that means that the missing part must be 8. So 5 plus 8 is 13. And I also know, since these are, I can make a related fact and related number sentence. I can say 13 minus 5 equals 8, right? Because they're related. Okay, now let's do the next one. Okay, so for this one, the next one says there's a missing part, and then I know the other part is 5, and the whole is 8. So this time I'm going to put 8 on the bottom. So I have 4 and 4 more. That makes 8. So I have 8 on the bottom. I'm going to move how many up to the top? I'm going to move 5 up to the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And whatever's left over, I'm going to move over to this side. So how many do I have left over? I have 3. So that means the missing part is 3. So let's write that over here. 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Great. Okay. So fantastic. Great job. All right. So now this bonus problem says, talk math. Explain how to find the missing addend in blank plus 5 equals 14. Well, how would I solve that? Well, I know a piece and I know the whole. So I know one of the pieces is 5. I know the whole is 14. Now we could either do it by putting 14 dots here, or we could count on from 5 up to 14. Let's count on today. Okay, so let's start with 5, and I'm going to say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, so how many dots do I have here? Well, I have 9 dots, so that means 9 must be the missing add-in. All right, so 9 plus 5 equals 14. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to the next page. All right, so this is the on my own section. So what I want you to do is I want you to try to do these problems by yourself. Make sure you're using your part-whole mat and your dots to help you out. And then pause the video and finish your work. When you are done, push play on the video to check your answers. Okay, let's check our answers. So it says 4 plus a part equals 10. So if I have 4 and then 10 right there, so I'm going to do the counting on strategy. I'm going to say, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many dots, yellow dots do I have? I have 6. That means the missing part must be 6. So let's write that over here. 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6 because they're related. Great job. Okay, let's do the next one. And this one says we have 6 and 14 as the whole. But we don't know the part. So let's do the part. Okay, well, let's see. This time I think I'm going to put 14 dots down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, how many dots am I moving up here? I'm going to move 6 dots. You're right. 6 dots. Okay. And then the rest of the dots go over here. All these dots are going to go over here. So how many red dots do I have? How many red dots do I have? Well, let's see. I have 8 dots. So the missing number must be 8. Okay, so let's write that over here. 8 is the missing part. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Fantastic. Okay, let's do another one. This one says 8 plus a missing number equals 9. So let me use my board. I'm going to put it on my board. I say 8 plus a missing number equals 9. So let's put 9 dots down here. Okay, so 9 dots. And how many dots should I put up here? Should I move? Yeah, let's move 8 dots up here. Okay, so let's move 8 of these dots. Okay, and then the dots that are left, I'm going to put right there. So what's the missing number? That's right, the missing number is 1. So let's write that. 8 plus 1 equals 9, or 9 minus 8 equals 1. Fantastic. Okay, so next, let's do number 6, and it says a missing number plus 3 equals 11. All right, do you want to count on this one? Yeah, let's count on. We're going to start at 3 and go to 11. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so how many dots do I have here? I have, that's right, 8 dots. So let's put 8 right here as the missing number. And I'm going to put that answer over here. 8 plus 3 equals 11, or 11 minus 3 equals 8. Fantastic. Great job. Okay, let's do this next one. And this one says a missing number plus 7 equals 13. Well, I think I want to count on this one. I'm going to go from 7 up to 13. So 7, I'm going to say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So what's the missing number? That's right, the missing number is 6. I'm going to write that right there. I'm going to say 6 plus 7 is 13, and 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Great. Now let's look at number 8. And number 8 says 6 plus a missing number equals 15. So let's count on again. I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so I have 15. So how many dots did I put there? How many dots? Okay, yeah, I put 9 yellow dots. So the missing number is 9. So let's write that over here. I'm going to say 6 plus 9 equals 15, or 15 minus 6 equals 9. Great job. And now let's do the next one. And this next one says 9 plus a number equals 17. So let's write that in there. 9 plus a number equals 17. Well, let's count on again. I like counting on. All right, so 9, I say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 8, nope, 17. That's all I wanted. All right, so now, how many do I have? I have 8. That is right, so 8 yellow dots. That means the answer must be 8. 9 plus 8 is 17, or 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Great job. Okay, so now let's do the last one on this side. And this one says 9 plus a number equals 16. So let's do that again. 9 plus a missing number equals to 16. Did you count on? Okay, let's count on. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many dots are there? 7 dots. Great job. So 7's a missing number. 9 plus 7 has to be 16, or 16 minus 9 has to equal 7. Great. Okay, let's turn the page and let's do the back part. All right. So it says problem solving. Number 11. Max has 5 shovels and some sand pails at the beach. He has 14 shovels and sand pails in all. How many sand pails does he have? Oh, that sounds like a missing number one. Okay, so let's see. Max has 5 shovels and some pails. I don't know how many pails. That's a mystery. Okay, he has 14 shovels and sand pails in all. So that sounds like in all. That means like the whole. How many sand pails does he have? That's the missing number. I don't know. So let's see. Well, I know that he has, I'm going to use my part whole map. I know he has 5 shovels. I don't know how many pails he has. That's a question. That's a mystery. But I do know that altogether he has 14. All right, so let's see. Let's use our counting on strategy. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so how many scent pills does he have? He has 9, right? So the answer is 9. Okay, so let's write that 9. Okay, great job. Now, next one is a riddle. Right, so it's we have to figure out the number. And it says, when I am added to 7, the sum is 12. What number am I? So we know we have a number that when you add it to another number, it has to make 12. Okay, so let's see here. So if I have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many dots is that? You're right, that's 5. So the missing number must be 5. Let's write that in there, 5. Fantastic. Okay, great job. Okay, so now let's do the last part where it says, write math. How do you use subtraction to find a missing add-in in an addition problem? Explain. Well, you can subtract the sum by the known add-in, right? You can subtract the sum from the known add-in. So let's write that. You can subtract the sum by the known add-in. All right, good job, boys and girls. Don't forget to take a picture of both of these pages and then turn them into Seesaw. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.